Alright guys, we're going on an adventure. We're going over the creek to do some exploring. We're getting bug sprayed up. We got a compass. We got water. We got snacks. We got a first aid kit. Got a whistle. You got your treasure backpack, right? Okay, we got sunscreen in there. I'm gonna go exploring. Right? Ready to go exploring? Yeah, we're just gonna go hit the nature trail. Right? The local nature trail. Okay?
Yeah.
Come along with us. Break time.
That way.
It's hot and humid today. We're getting up in the low 30s Celsius. And it is humid. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. They're beautiful. Sweetheart, it's fine. It's fine. He's way over there. He's going to come this way, but he's not going to come on the path. He's not coming here, Bella. Go get on the bleachers. Go get on the seats. Go get on the benches. Go sit on the benches. Ah! Carter, you're so brave. Do you want to sit and watch him for a few minutes? Do you want to sit and watch him for a few minutes? Stop and listen for a second. You can? The ice cream store is that way. Okay? But there are no berry bushes and Dylan wants to go berry hunting. So we're going to take the path this way and we're going to look all along these bushes and see if there's any berry patches there for us, okay? All right, lead on, Dylan and Abby. Let's go.
Charlie, that was really
Let's go.
Jackie?
Yep.
It was all over. Look at that. And like turn back again.
You okay, pal? In slow motion today. It's Friday and it's been a very long week. It's a hot and humid day, but we need an adventure. No, this used to be a train track. There's no trains on it now, but it used to be, and it's called the Michael Star Trail. It used to be a railroad. It's not anymore. So this used to be a railroad. It's not anymore. Now it's a path. Yes, sir. He's the king of the castle. Mm-hmm. In the tree, you mean? Oh, yeah.
That was made by
Just see, Bella? Look what you're standing on. Look what you're standing on. Isn't that neat?
I found
Patterns in there?
Guys,
Lots of garbage in here. Hey, Charlotte?
look, beaver.
Beaver?
Something got trapped down by a beaver.
Maybe. I'm not sure Beaver did that. Might have.
Who wants to try to climb the tree? I do. No.
I'm not sure that's a very good climbing tree.
Bella, you're gonna get hurt. I would be good at it.
Oh, you're good at everything. Lots of garbage in here. Get it all. Yes, Carter. That's a good stick. Good job. Is that your walking stick? Yeah. Garbage. Carter just knocked him off. There was a cool bug on there. It's gone now. Be careful. You're going to hit somebody with that stick. Okay? Please, be careful. Yeah, more garbage. Garbage everywhere. Sorrel, whole bunch of it.
Jackie.
I'm coming. I see a raspberry plant down there. It's just a teeny tiny one. There's no berries on it right now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right over there. Yeah, see down there? Let's go see. Let's go see if there's more up here. Well, there's a little bit. There's usually more. Let's go see. Keep going. Keep going. Let's see. Don't you swing it around, okay? Because we don't want anybody getting hit. Yep, that's going to be a berry bush. Not yet, though. Let's go.
That's a berry bush.
Yep, that's a berry bush, and all the berries are gone. Yeah, the animals got them. There's one of your cool bugs, Dylan. Here's one of your bugs right here.
I found that bug.
Right there. Sure are beautiful.
I love insects.
Don't.
Ow.
Sorry.
Ow.
Hey, check the attitude.
Jackie, look at that one.
Yeah, there's another one down there, isn't there?
Where?
Good spotting, Bella. Different kind of bug. Cool.
Where?
Right down
Don't
there.
touch that one. That's an earwig. No, that's a centipede. Maggie? That's a phone. Can I record?
Yeah.
Now. Whoops. It looks like a forest in there.
Ladies,
Do
wait
you
for
think
us,
there's
okay?
going to be a frog in there? Plastic bags. Maggie?
Mm-hmm.
Do trees.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the ground, people. Look at the ground.
What about over there? There's a whole bunch of grapevines. There could be
Wait,
berries.
grapevines? Where? Hey, cattails.
Oh,
Wait, a grasshopper.
look at them all. A few of them in there.
Should I try to catch one with my hands?
Sure, you can try to catch one with your hands.
But would they hurt you?
Grasshoppers? No, grasshopper won't hurt you. But there might be thistles in there. You're sweating! Ah! There might be thorns in there.
Oh my gosh, a fuzzy caterpillar.
Where?
Come here, look.
Where? Show me. Where? Oh yeah, look at him. Good spotting, Dylan. We're not touching them, right?
Right.
Especially the fuzzy bright ones. Good spotting. That's awesome. Right down there. He's just coming up in there.
Oh
You
yeah,
can hardly see him moving. He's trying to hide
Why?
because he doesn't want us to get him. He doesn't want anybody to eat him. Yes.
Don't touch
You want some water?
it.
Yeah?
No.
Okay. All right, let's keep walking. Don't touch him. No, don't touch him. He might be poisonous. Mm-hmm. Yep, we're going this way. Yeah? Good. Me too. Are you having fun? We're good. Everybody have some water? We need water break. It's hot and humid out here. We've got to make sure everybody's drinking. Have a couple sips and pass it around.
You didn't have any.
Bella's stick. Yes, she did a few minutes ago. Stop being grumpy. Just say no thank you. Okay, and Carter's turn. Carter, you have some?
My walking stick.
Good job. Stay hydrated, my friends.
Mommy.
15 cents?
Yeah.
Not in your childhood. It wasn't my childhood. I'm way older than you. Don't get too far ahead. So that right there is our local lumber mill. It's noisy, but it smells like campfire when it gets ripping in there. It's awesome. It's like a broom and a mop. Yeah. Good thinking. That's very good bushcraft, young lady. Make sure there's no cars coming.
No cars coming.
Okay, go ahead. Carter, is there any cars coming? Do you see any cars coming? No, let's go. You're so sleepy. Yeah, we'll go get a popsicle.
Look at this bugger.
Yeah, popsicles. No? What's down there? Think there's any turtles in there? Ninja Turtles! Can you hear us? It's funny, I don't know what it is. A little red bug?
Buggles. Well, don't touch it. We don't know what it is.
Let's leave it.
That's fast.
Good spotting.
Daddy.
Yeah, yes.
I think
it feels like to be an animal. Popsicles, buddy.
Just pooping a lot.
Pooping a lot?
Yeah.
Cool rock.
And the pocket down the drain.
Okay.
Down the big rock. There, and then.
Another bug?
That
Same kind of bug, yeah. I don't know what kind it is.
Maybe it's coming up to me.
Spotting.
Maybe it's a baby. Maybe it's an ant, but then it forms into a different thing.
Maybe it's an ant that then forms into a different thing?
Yeah, and then it forms into an ant.
When we get home, we'll Google it and we'll find out what kind of bug it is. Alright, this is the worst part of the walk on this busy road. Squirrels like the sunflower seeds. Everybody can pick one thing, okay? Keep the door closed until you pick what you want. Okay, you only open it when you pick what you want. What would you like, Carter? Come and look.
Ice cream sandwiches, please.
Okay, you're having bad luck with ice cream cones this year, aren't you? That's okay. It's still full of ice cream inside. Does it taste good? Is it good? Alright, ice cream cone. Lifesavers popsicle, is it good? Pretty frozen. Dylan's got a freezy, is it good?
I ate the top off.
Rocket chip popsicle! Rocket chip popsicle! I'm having a double fudge. The store obviously had a meltdown. This is refrozen, but it's pretty good. Cheers. Does that feel better? Yeah? Alright, we're putting all of our garbage in a garbage bag and we're going to take it and put it in the garbage can, right? Special shout out today from Mark at Eat Carbs. Mark's having a contest right now, a mystery box giveaway for his 25,000 subscriber push. Go check out his channel. He's an awesome dude. He does all kinds of stuff. He's the king of Bannock, but he's also the undisputed king of picking up other people's garbage. So Mark, this one's for you, buddy. Everywhere. Yep. Yeah, that's really super spotting. That's like one of those red ones, but really big. It's two of them together. Dylan's trying to catch a moth by hand. Yes, Carter. Yep. Yep, on your shirt you have a dinosaur riding a bike. Let's see. Yeah, a dead mouse. There's another one where? Oh, that's some hair off of it. Poor dead little mouse. Maybe. Yep. Yep, they're gone.
We went in a circle.
We went in a big circle. That's right. We're back to where we started, and the lawnmowers are gone. All right. No, we're going this way this time. We're going to go up here over the hill. We're going to take the shortcut. Over the hill to the hole in the fence.
That is a shortcut.
Yeah, you see the white post over there? Go towards the white post, and the hole in the fence is right over there. Whose turn is it? Abby's turn for the backpack? Look, Dylan, garbage is right there. Yeah, I know. Everybody's having a turn. Oh my gosh, everybody is melty. We need to go home and have lunch and naps. Now turned into a pack meal, like both backpacks. And several melting down children. So it might be nap time. Oh, miserable. Come on, grumpy Gus's. Let's go get some lunch. Yeah, good job alphabet hunting. Yes, sir. Good sticks, Carter. Okay, let's go see what these guys, what do they have? Oh, grass. Throw grass at each other. Yuck. You gonna make it? No, let's go get some lunch. Say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Everybody say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.